Multilingual kami, Oshi. True. Am I cheat sheet? Kuha mo na same tone kayo ni Fame. Oh, thank you. She teaches me a lot. Teaches? Before language na nakita ko sa chat, mix na. I know, right? Everything is mixing. Everything is mixing. But I try. I really try. But so far, Indonesian is the one that sticks to me the most because it's similar to Tagalog the most. Like kanan, mata. Thank you for the angler fish, Jack. Wait. Too much, Vincent. Wait. Sabi. I haven't found you. Oh, thank you, Cuddle Bear. Thank you. I wanna go to Indonesia again too. But let's go to the Philippines first, okay? Thank you, Cuddle Bear. To be honest, I got fish by the in the Dalagang Pilipina. Yeah, that's true. Sige, bili kami. Oshi muna ako sabay, ano daw? Pinas priority, amen. Kaya, when we go to the Philippines, you guys better be there. Okay? If you really miss me, if you miss us, you better be there. Bukas agad. So, ang jeep lang naman from Thailand, like, so cheap. Joke. Nagkain ka na? Yes, nagkain na ako. Thank you, Angela Silang. Angel? Ba't Angel lang? Lahat kami may flight papuntang Canada pagpunta nyo. Grabe! Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Naiinis ako. Pumunta kayo, ah. Walang magka-Canada. Stress. Wait. Wala! I didn't see. When will you go to Jakarta again? I don't know yet. Hopefully after MNL48. Vision sa live fan fest kasama. I don't know kung sa Philippines magaganap yun, but maybe. You can come here to Thailand. Oh! Thank you for the little crown! Thank you. Wait. Who sent it? Thank you, Edward, for the little crown. Thank you, Aztec. Aztec? What do you want me to call you? For the rose. Di ako pupunta yan ng... Ano daw? I mean, we won't be there tomorrow. Don't get me wrong. But... Ay, nako. But you better be there. Or else, you won't see MNL48 ever again. Woo! Decision. Sa Laguna, layo na. Sakit na dyan ko. Patay talaga. Wait, I'm confused. Thank you, son, for the hat and mustache. Thank you. Favorite place in Manila? Home. My house. My bed. At home. With my family. That is my favorite place in Manila. Wait. You're from Laguna? Makati or QC? Ooh, interesting. Wait. I wanna see the little crown. I did it. Yay! Thank you, Edward, for the little crown. Mwah. QC or Makati? Oh my gosh, that's true. I prefer QC. Because that's my hometown. Hometown? Cantik banget. Terima kasih. Saan kayo gagala kung pupunta kayo dito sa Pilipinas? There's already a list. I already planned. bands, and artists as in actors, actresses. And that's okay. It's okay. Thank you, Apaji, for the little crown. Maybe. Hello, Kuya Marky. Hello, guys. It is popular, it's not broadcasted. Thank you, San, for the friendship necklace. No. Listen, it's okay. Thank you, San, for the love you. Thank you, Zalfa, for the rose. Giggle face. I see. Thank you for the wizard hat as well. Thank you guys for sending virtual gifts. This helps me a lot. A lot. Okay. Wait ko yan. What was I saying? I mean, ano yung sinasabi ko? Nakalimutan ko na. I forgot. Just support kung ano yung sariling atin. I mean, support local. Ingat. Support local. That's it. But if, whatever you support, and whatever you don't, it's fine. That's mean. That's just mean. Thank you, Aztec. AZ. You can spell one without Nicole, kaya ikami ocean yun na siya. Correct. AKB Natics na ako. And that's fine. That's great. Kayo. Kung ano yung support nyo. That's great. Sana mag-Bora kayo ni na Fenny. I don't think we'll have time to go to Bora if ever we go there. Gusto nila mag-Cebu. But I know mahal kita also. Oh, my phone is overheating again. Thank you. Bukan orang for the rose. Yes, go to Cebu na lang. I want to. Do you watch anime? Yes, I love anime. What mall do you want to perform here in Philippines? I don't know. Any mall. Although medyo pressure yun, but any mall. Thank you, Zalfa. Thank you, DMM Real 15 for the little crown. Mwah. Thank you. Pwede ba maging cameo si MNL40? Duh. Of course. Bakit ba ako dighay ng dighay? You should. Hello. Quadlip sa ASAP. Oh yeah, that's true. That's a hot take, but good for you. Hi. Who? Coley? Who? Quadlip sa Showtime. Guys. Let's see. Yeah, I have water, but I keep burping. How does it feel to be? Thank you for the finger heart and for the team bracelet. Thank you. What was it? Where is it? Where's that question? I saw a good question. Where is it? Wait, I can't see. How does it feel to be in Indonesia again, Cole? It was so different. Like traveling with MNL48 versus Quadlips. I mean, the first time we traveled to Indonesia last time was just like 3 days, 4 days. So I didn't quite feel the Indonesia then. And then this trip made me like really feel Indonesia this time. And it was nice. It was good. It was great. Especially we had a fan meet there, and we got to meet the fans and we got to interact with the fans. That was the best part. So I'm really happy that we went to Indonesia for a fan meet. Si Fanny daw mag-prod ng next single sa Quadlips. Prinod niya yung music video. She conceptualized the music video, not the song. Or the dance. Oh, maybe a little bit of the dance. I'm not sure. Pa-cover yung sinend ko sa'yo. Where? I can't see. Later, I'll send. Oh, wait. Sinend which one? Hello! What do you think about the Bloomfest concert? It was very hot. I had a hard time because it was so hot. Uy, ang tagal na sa IG mo. Ah! Bye now. Meron pa nga akong napakadami ko pang utang. Sorry na, nabusy ako. Thank you, Edward, for the little crown. Cole, it's my dream to go to KLP 48. I'm in my full. Well, you can. You can make ipon. Announcement. Hindi ko kinalimutan. Madami akong utang talaga. Madami akong utang na hindi pa nababayaran dahil my time. But yeah, I still have a project. Actually, yeah, right? I can't say. You'll see it soon. De, ganyan ka, de, wala. I don't have time, eh. Wait lang. Or is it that same thing pa din na? Na-perform ko na ata sa live yun? Diyan tumate. Let me check. Ayun! Hindi ko pa nagagawa this one. Hindi ko pa nagagawa. Do you listen to Bini Filipino Group? Of course. Hindi ko pa naaral. Hi, sana kilala mo pa ako. Syempre naman. Wait lang. Wait. I know you. You're from high school. High school? Was it high school? Akio? Akio, was it? Am I right? Am I wrong? Akio, was it? Tama ba? I don't remember. How did you feel the first time you met Fame? How did you feel the first time I met Fame? This, I'll show you. Wait. This picture. Where is it? Flip camera, yeah. This picture is from one of the days that I first met Fame. This picture on my wall. Yes, ito yung unang time that I went to Thailand for Quadlips. See how young we were? We're such babies. Okay, anyway, let me flex what's on my wall first. That's Fame. And then after this photo, I believe I took this photo. These are my best friends in... Thank you, Coco Lemon. Tama ba? Si Akio ka ba? Tell me. Anyway, these are my my senior high school friends. That's Bobby and Babe. Sabi ko na mag-reunion tayo next time. Wow, kala mo talaga. This is when was this? So maybe ito muna. And then this one. This is Quadlips. That's Hinasan, Fenisan, and Fame. So as you can see, it says Quad and Lips. And then I'm not allowed to show this yet. And then I took that photo, and then there's Checklist, Era, and Overdrive. And of course, the first ever banner. I'm not allowed to show this yet, but soon you will know what it is. Because hindi pa siya released. So you will see our costume there and the title of the new song. So I can't show you that. Really? You saw? But you didn't see the title, right? I mean, it's small, so you didn't see the title. When new quad lip song? I'm not sure yet. But maybe... I'm not allowed to say! I cannot say! It's small. The title is small, but be quiet. Shh. The title is small. Penny-san will get angry. Isa lang ang headband namin ng dalawa kong kaya. I wanna show you! Wait. Oy, bawal pagkalat. I got... Oh my gosh, where are my gifts? I have gifts. I haven't unpacked, to be honest. All my luggage is still here. Oh, where is my headband? But I got this cute headband that they gave to me. Where is it? You know what? Let's turn on. Haha. I haven't unpacked. Dahil I've been resting. Like a lot.